Hi everybody, welcome to Racing for Beginners. I'm Bernie, and this is
Senna.
And today we are doing an unboxing video of the Stilo ST5 CMR karting helmet, right? So, yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. See what this thing looks like. Actually, before I begin, we need to talk about, well, the reason why we went this route, right? So, a couple of months ago, Senna was talking about how he needed a new helmet. And so, after doing some research and contacting a couple of people, we found out that this is the helmet that we wanted to go with. So, right off the bat, I can tell you that this thing is light, right? And also, the bag itself is quality. It's not like a normal cloth, but one thing I have to say is you'll store this helmet whenever it's being stored. You'll store this helmet in this bag, and then as you travel, you'll keep it in this bag and put it in a different bag as well to help protect it a little bit longer. All right, so first, let's go ahead and let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, wow. Look at that. What do you think? It's light, isn't it? I mean, even for you, it seems like almost seems like it's big. But let's look at this. So, first of all, again, it's really light. This is a youth helmet specific for karting. As I was saying earlier, Senna's helmet, the one he currently has, one is an M-rated helmet, which is no longer valid for outdoor use. Also, it was tight, right? It was kind of small. So we knew it was time for us to upgrade to not only a more up-to-date helmet and a safer helmet. As kids do, they grow. So let's go ahead. I don't know. What do you think? Try it on?
Okay.
Yeah, give it a shot. So, you go. Wow. It looks, is it comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then light, I mean, I notice you're moving your head and it's not moving around a whole lot. You know how to open it? Look at that! It's just intuitive on how to open it. One very cool thing about this helmet that no other helmet that I've seen has, and there may be some out there, but for one, as a kid helmet, a youth helmet, right? Go ahead and take it down to where you hear one click. There you go. So the first click, you'll notice that there's an air gap in here. So that way you can actually have this on the first click and it help get ventilation, especially on those hot days, and help get ventilation in throughout the helmet. You can't do this with other helmets because even if you leave a little bit of a crack, if you get into a rear impact collision, that's just going to fly open. And again, there's a safety issue, things coming at you. But this will help prevent that. And then to fully seal it, go ahead and close it all the way. There you go. And now it is sealed. So it's going to, best and maximum protection. You're not going to get dust directly, through there, like you did in the first click. So I don't know. What do you think? Look good? Yeah. All right. So go ahead. You can take it off now. Tell me what else you know about this helmet.
It's a ST5 CMR karting helmet and an MSRP of $549. The exterior can be white or black, and the interior can be black, red, or blue.
Yeah, so as you were saying, the interior, you can change colors, but also you can, this can also be removed to, and be replaced, I should say, with different foam settings depending on the shape of your head. So some people have, round heads or oval heads, or I mean, just different shapes. This allows for some customization, so that way it's one of the most comfortable helmets that you have to feel. Now, do you feel like the padding was comfortable enough for you?
Yeah, it was pretty comfortable.
Nice, nice. So something about Stilo is that they've been around since 1999. They were formed in 1999, and specifically for rallying. They had an built-in intercom system, and they were sturdy. And so what was it, in 2008?
Yeah, in 2008, Stilo started a full-faced helmet and they focused on comfort, quality, and being lightweight.
Nice. So, something about Stilo helmets is that they are made in Italy. They're designed. They're headquartered in Italy. They're manufactured in Italy. It's one of the few helmets that are actually designed and manufactured in the same country. There's another one out there, that is like that, but I don't think any other helmet, especially the top tiered ones, where they have their headquarters in one place and then manufactured outside the country. So Stilo, they're all made in Italy, and then they get shipped here to the U.S. Through Simpson. They're distributed by Simpson. So Stilo for the U.S. Is distributed by Simpson. Now, Jay Braxton is our contact. He's the one that helped us with this helmet and getting us the right size and the right shape for Senna. So, other than karting, because this is a CMR, which is a safety rating for go-kart, youth go-karting. They also have the adult version, which is, I believe, the KRT helmet. And again, for karting specific. But they also make helmets for other motorsports, right?
Yeah, they make helmets for F1, WRC, WEC, Indy, NASCAR, and more.
Yeah, right on. So, as I mentioned before, I want to give a special thanks to Mike Smith. He's the one he's a close friend of mine, but more importantly, he's the one that turned us onto Stilo helmets. I asked him about them because I knew he was enthusiastic about them. Now I know why, after feeling the quality of this helmet. And I've picked up a lot of the helmets. And so I can see why he's excited about this helmet for sure. So Mike, thank you for pointing me to Jay Braxton. Now Jay Braxton, he is the U.S. distributor for, or he's the one to contact to get your Stilo helmet. And he's going to answer all your questions, any concerns you might have. But I mean, this helmet, I can tell, it's fantastic. So, yeah, what do you think?
I like it.
Nice. Okay, well, hey, thank you again for watching the video and sticking with us. If you have any questions, concerns, you can contact us at, racingforbeginners.com. Otherwise, get a hold of Jay. I'll put his information in the description below. And what a great product. Also, I do want to mention one other thing. Jay recommended that this is the anti-fog cleaning spray. So this lens actually has an anti-fog that's kind of built into it. But if you use any water-based solvents or anything like that, it's going to ruin it. And not just ruin it, but it'll make it to where you can't even see through it. So this spray is a cleaner that is specific for not disrupting that anti-fog on the lens. So whenever you clean it, make sure and use this, all right? And again, you don't want to spray directly onto the lens. You're going to spray it into like a microfiber cloth, and then once it sits into that, then you do your wipe down. Pretty straightforward. Directions are on here. You can, again, go to Stilo. also get a hold of Jay if you have questions on how to clean that. All right? Well, thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. All right? Take care. Thank you. Bye. That's a wrap.
Yes!